The SOJO team is undertaking another bathroom renovation in the city of San Jose, where we're changing the positioning of the toilet, the vanity, and just completely revamping this bathroom. What do I mean? Previously, the vanity used to be here. As you can see, the cold plumbing pipe and the hot water plumbing pipe, including the drainage. What we're doing is we're shifting it all over here. We're gonna plumb the walls. We're gonna put drywall, have a nice texture of paint, give the clients a brand new light fixture, a nice LED fogless mirror, and then we're gonna build them a nice standing shower over here. Previously, it used to be a tub, so we will be doing custom glass. We're gonna give them really nice tiles, build a niche. Niche is where you can put your shampoos, you can put your razor blades, your soap. In some cases, a lot of our clients shop at Costco, so they get this, huge shampoo bottles and conditioner bottles, and it's always a challenge in bathrooms. So what we do is we actually build extra large niches for our clients. So I'm here today evaluating how much plumbing work is involved, how much electrical work is involved, because when you're repositioning a lot of these items like toilets and vanities, you have to make sure there's enough outlets. Outlet for the toilet so they can have an electronic bidet, outlets by the vanity, because if you have a hair dryer, you have shaving chargers, all of that, you really have to pay attention to what your daily needs are. So we actually overload our clients with a lot of outlets. That way they never run out of outlets for their, charging their electronics. So that's what I'm here today, making sure our team is successful when they start. We have a strict project timeline to follow. So we are starting this job, and again, we can't wait to show you a lot of cool construction and real estate content. Stay tuned, follow, like, and subscribe us, and you're gonna see the cool progress of this bathroom renovation project in the city of San Jose. My name is Jojo with the SOJO team.